Mastering English Idioms, turn the ball. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, turn the ball. This phrase isn't commonly used in English, and it might actually be a mix-up of other idiomatic expressions. Understanding idioms is crucial as they add color to our conversations and help us sound more like native speakers. So, let's dive in and untangle this phrase together. Idioms are expressions whose meanings cannot be understood from the individual words. They are used metaphorically and are an essential part of everyday English. Turn the ball doesn't appear to be a standard idiom in English. It might be a confusion with similar phrases like, turn the tables, or get the ball rolling. Let's explore these two to understand better. Turn the tables. This idiom means to reverse a situation and gain an advantage over someone who was previously in a stronger position. It originates from board games where turning the table would reverse the players' positions. Get the ball rolling. This phrase means to start something, especially something big or important. It's like starting to roll a ball. Once it begins, it continues moving. Understanding an idiom's meaning is one thing, but using it correctly in a sentence is another. Here are examples for both. Turn the tables. They were losing the debate, but a brilliant point helped them turn the tables. Get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling on this project with a brainstorming session. 1. Context is key. Always try to understand idioms within the context they are used. 2. Practice. Use them in your conversations. 3. Learn regularly. Try to learn a new idiom regularly and use it in your speech or writing. That's all for today's lesson. Remember, idioms are a fun and essential part of mastering English. They can be tricky, but with practice, you'll start using them like a native. Hope this video helped clarify the phrase, turn the ball, and taught you some new expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.